Hi everyone, it's Danielle with Northlawn Flower Farm. Here are some tips and tricks on how to make cut hellebores last longer in the vase. Hellebores are a welcome sight on a gray winter day, and it's hard to resist harvesting a full bucket when they first emerge. But patience is the key when it comes to getting the longest vase life from hellebores. While there are tricks to deal with wilting that occurs when hellebores are picked too soon, the real trick to a long-lasting hellebore stem is waiting until the seed pod is formed. It's fascinating to discover that the beautiful petals of a hellebore are not petals at all. They're technically sepals, and these sepals serve as protection for the actual flower part located at the center of the sepals. Now, once the flower is fertilized, the stamens and the petals are shed, and a seed pod is formed. As this seed pod develops, the sepals become stiff and waxy and will not wilt when harvested, often lasting a full 2 weeks in the vase with no special conditioning. The moral of the story is that a mature hellebore with a developed seed pod is the foolproof way to get the longest vase life from your hellebore blooms. Now, of course, I completely understand wanting to cut your hellebores in a younger stage. Whether you love the look of their stamens or just need fresh cut flowers from the garden sooner rather than later, I do have a trick to help you avoid the dreaded wilting that can occur when young hellebores are harvested. Using a sharp knife, make 4 shallow slits along the length of the stem. This cut doesn't need to be deep, it only needs to open up the stem slightly. After cutting, place the stems into hot, almost boiling water for 5 seconds. Next, remove the stems from the hot water and place them immediately into deep, fresh water, where they should remain to condition for 12 hours. After conditioning, you can design as you please without fear of wilting. Now, as a friendly reminder, this trick is only necessary on young stems that have not developed seed pods. Mature stems need no special conditioning, and the more developed the seed pod, the longer the stem will last. Well, I sure hope these tips and tricks were helpful. Let me know if you have any special tricks for conditioning hellebores, and if you have any varieties that you love for cutting. Well, until next time, happy gardening. Bye!